Still feeling cold even with your heater on? Old heaters are noisy, unsafe, and waste too much electricity. Meet the Dreo Space Heater, a powerful 1500W ceramic heater that warms your room in seconds. With smart thermostat control, ultra-quiet performance, and advanced safety protection, it's perfect for bedrooms and offices. Enjoy Eco Mode, digital display, child lock, and whisper quiet heating at only 34 decibels. Stay warm this winter. Click the link below and check the Dreo Space Heater on Amazon today.